Hey everybody, I went to Food Lion today looking for some free items and was not lucky enough to find such a thing. But what I'm showing you now is what I got after I did a video yesterday showing you what I got for free, and I ended up going to another Food Lion and I came across another coupon for a free corn. Well, actually, it was for a free can of vegetables, the My Essentials brand, and I picked the corn out. So I thought I could just get the corn and keep it moving, but the cashier told me that they could not give me something for free without another purchase. So I was like, oh shoot. Went back out, found another coupon for 75 cents off any variety of My Essentials rice. Just so happened they had their 16-ounce bag of white rice on sale for 77 cents. And my coupon was for 75 cents. So I went right back to the register, and when the guy rang me up, he said 2 cents, and he had to laugh. I mean, I paid 2 cents for a can of corn and a bag of rice, and he just laughed and said that's the best thing he had seen all day. So yeah, just wanted to share this deal. I was going to do it yesterday, but I just didn't feel like it. So this is from yesterday. As of today, I did not make any purchases at Food Lion because I didn't get any really good coupons. So anyway, don't forget to check out their blue. It's a blue coupon kiosk, and it's right by the front door. Don't forget to scan your phone number in, or scan your card or punch your phone number in and see what comes out for you. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Bye.